Doctorate Conferment Ceremony 2005 of Lingnan University will now begin. Please rise.
I now declare this ceremony open.
為咗表揚霍博士對國家、香港經濟、文化、教育發展嘅傑出貢獻，青年人嘅培育同埋中華武術嘅傳統推廣，本人謹恭請閣下頒授榮譽工商管理學博士學位予霍震寰博士。
主席先生，為彰表李博士對世界體育發展嘅卓越貢獻，包括佢喺商業嘅開創性領導、深入人心嘅公益精神，以及對嶺南大學發展嘅鼎力支持，本人謹恭請閣下頒授榮譽工商管理學博士學位予李寧博士。
廖議員喺法律專業、公共服務同埋社會發展領域為國家同香港作出咗卓越嘅貢獻，係香港專業人才同公職人員嘅楷模。主席先生，本人謹恭請閣下頒授榮譽法學博士學位予廖長江議員。
In recognition of his significant contributions to science and education, I hereby present Professor Tao Tang to you for the confirmation of the degree of Doctor of Science, honoris causa.
In recognition of Professor Wang Anyi's outstanding achievement in literature and education, I hereby present her for the conferment of the degree of Doctor of Humanities, honoris causa.
Mr. Yan's legacy is one of boundless creativity, cultural pride, and universal appeal, not only as a martial artist and actor, but also as a storyteller who uses movement to convey emotion, history, and humanity. Mr. Chairman, it's my honor to present Mr. Danny Yan for the conferment of the degree of Doctor of Humanities, honoris causa.
此次被授予荣誉博士学位，对我而言既是激励，更是一份新的责任。它提醒我，应当以更高的标准要求自己，鼓励我以更广的视野去思考问题，激励我如何去做一名社会的服务者。再次感谢岭南大学给予我们的荣誉。